And there is one more concept which you should understand about gravity, and that is free fall. Free fall बोले तो क्या? First let us understand what is not free fall. Free fall क्या नहीं है वो समझ में आएगा तो it will be easier for us to understand what is free fall. Look at this. Feather falling from air to water. This is not free fall. Reason being, feather जो है fast गिरता नहीं है like a ball or a stone. Why that happens? Because of air resistance. Feather is very light and it is broad in shape. That is why air can resist the falling of the feather. That's the reason feather falling is not a free fall. Because air resistance obstructs the gravity. Look at this. Ball rolling from a slope. Even this is not a free fall because वो ball जो है directly गिरता नहीं है. It is rolling on a slope and not falling directly. That is why this is also not a free fall. Look at this. Tennis ball. It went diagonally towards the left side. Diagonally left side में गया. Let us see it again. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Because wind is blowing from right side. Right side से हवा आ रहा है and that wind is pushing the ball towards the left side. That is why it is not falling straight. It is getting pushed diagonally towards left side. This is also not a free fall. Now look at this. इसको बोलते हैं free fall. Free fall बोले तो there should be no disturbance, no interruptions, no other force acting on the object. The only force acting should be gravity and it should fall freely under the influence of gravity. That is free fall. चलो अभी एक free fall वाला experiment कर लेते हैं. I'm sure you will enjoy this.
Hello children. Look at this. What do you see? This is an empty plastic box. I'll open this and show it to you. You can see even the lid doesn't have anything on it. So this empty plastic box, you know how light it is. उसका वजन कितना कम होता है, you know it, right? It won't be even 50 grams or 20 grams in weight. Now look at this. This is a water bottle. It is more than 1 liter. So the weight of this water bottle is more than 1 kg. So this water bottle is very heavy as compared to this box. This box is very light as compared to the bottle. Now what I will do is, I will throw this box. इन दोनों को, box और बाटली दोनों को गिराऊंगा from a height. I will drop them from a height. So because this bottle is very heavy, ये पहले गिरेगा as compared to this box, right? ये पहले गिरना चाहिए. देखते हैं. Let us see which one falls first. Ideally, the bottle should fall first. फिर से देख लेना. Which one fell first? देख लेना. Last time. What did you notice? Both the bottle and the box fell at the same time. They were hitting the table at the same time. And this is true for any object, not just bottle or box. When they are dropped from a height, they both have the same acceleration. They fall at the same acceleration, which means they hit the ground at the same time. No matter how much might be the difference in the masses of the two or more objects, they hit the ground at the same time, provided they are not thrown with any initial speed. उनको सिर्फ छोड़ देना चाहिए. You should not throw them. Then this experiment works. You can also try this experiment at home. Only thing is, this light object which is there, don't use a paper or cloth or anything which is flat and has a large surface. वरना वो ऐसे ऐसे गिरेगा like a feather. You should use a closed object like this. And this water bottle you can use, but make sure कि while dropping the water bottle, this flap should not open. वरना पानी गिर सकता है. That care you have to take. Okay? अभी ना ये एक्सपेरिमेंट से शायद आपको कन्विंस नहीं होता होगा. You may come to the conclusion ये छोटे से हाइट से गिराया है. इससे क्या मालूम पड़ेगा? That's why I will show you one more experiment that will really convince you. In which I will be dropping, or you will be dropping really. You will be dropping two objects from a very tall height. बहुत ऊंचाई से दो चीज तुम गिराने वाले हो. Let's see.
In this experiment, parental guidance is strongly recommended. बिना parents का ये experiment नहीं करना है. And that is football और गोटी वाला experiment. Football is very large as compared to the marble and very heavy as compared to the marble. अपने खिड़की से बाहर फुटबॉल और गोटी दोनों को एक साथ छोड़ देना. Don't throw it downwards with your hand, just leave them. जोर नहीं लगाने का उनके ऊपर. And one more thing you should be careful, and that is make sure that your parent or some other uncle or auntie is there on the ground at the bottom of your building. His or her job is to make sure that this football does not hurt anyone. Even the marble should not hurt anyone. या तो फिर it should not fall on anybody's property. बोले तो किसी का कांच नहीं फूटना चाहिए, किसी का सामान नहीं टूटना चाहिए. This care you have to take. And make sure that the person on ground is watching both the ball as well as the marble, ताकि गिरने के बाद वो मिल जाए. It should not get lost. Football is very heavy as compared to the marble. Even then, both of them will fall at the same time. They will hit the ground at the same time. ये दोनों एक्सपेरिमेंट से क्या सीखा हमने? All objects fall with the same speed, provided they are under free fall. Actually, falling speed जो है बढ़ते ही जाता है, लेकिन the increase in speed is common for all objects, which means acceleration is common for all objects. So how can we summarize this? All objects undergoing free fall have the same acceleration. सारे objects जो गिरते हैं, they fall with the same acceleration. It is known as acceleration due to gravity. ये जो common acceleration है सारे सामान के लिए, it is known as acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by G. Small g उसका symbol है, symbol for acceleration due to gravity. अब जरा सोचो, if acceleration due to gravity is common for all, तो उसका कुछ वैल्यू रहेगा ना उसे कैलकुलेट करने के लिए, या पता करने के लिए कुछ फॉर्मूला भी रहेगा. Let us have a look.